Jason, we're going to do something a little bit different. You step up here with me for just a second. I just want to say I work with the best people in the world. I really do. I'm very blessed. They're some of the best employees a manager could ask for, and it wouldn't matter what we were doing, whether we were doing something completely different. These are the people that I'd want doing it with me. They're absolutely fantastic. I'd like to introduce Jason Miller. He works with us. Turn the camera around, turn that on. Chris Hewer, raise your hand. Okay, Billy Brewington. There you go. And Alex Garcia, he's in the early college program. He's with the community college. Thank you for coming out and assisting. Now, who do we have back over in the Star Vision office? Andrew? Andrew Johnson. Andrew, thank you so much. And thank you guys for all you do to make this successful. Thank you, Jason.
Appreciate it.
Lisa?